See? It's on. What fish is that? I didn't cup, Mekong, go to the right, bump to the left. Bump to the left, don't let it go inside. Your rod is wrong. Oh! Cup. Push it, go. Semi cup. Oh, very lucky, are you? The whole pond got one, Don't let it go in there, go under. Pump, keep on pumping, yes. Keep on pumping, yes. Go there, you are, yes. So he likes to go under. This already. Up. See, you want to go under. Pump. Up. Oh. There, open, release. Good. Good lah. Wow. Lia, heng, Wow, cup leh. Oh, well done. Okay, good. Push. Well done. See the foot already. Pump. Oh, you the tail. You want to see the tail. You run from the right, go to the left, and come back here. Yeah, you go home. Okay? 4 o'clock already. Yeah. Rain coming, Wow. Come on. Oh! Move up. Don't let it go down. Okay, bring up. Pump. Up. Bring your head. Down. Open the bell. Okay. Come, help him to carry. You see how heavy. Together. Come. Help him. Together. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 80, 70, 80. Oh, big one. Bigger. Look, the angle is here. Size the length. Oh, push, 2 hands. Push. Yes. Okay. God. Big Mekong on this rod See what C4. The land downward. Rod. Oh, you see your rod like a rope, You see so soft. You see one straight line already. Downward. Ooh, you have to pull. Hey. Come on, let it go. Pump. Don't stop. Cut. Oh.
Okay.
All these rods are good for cut. Things like down. Release, the same size, almost the same size. I think they're all one of those school. Another cup, Oh, this is party. The first party in Thailand. Now. Oh, come on. Oh, you see the rod still soft with this. Allah, look at that. But it's good for cup. Good for cup. Pump. Don't let it go, is this? You want to go down? Pump. Yes, pump. Yes, pump. Yes. Make it disorientated, you know. Yeah, here. You see the foot. Pump. Don't let it go inside. Pump. Come on. Pump. Oi. Cannot. You still cannot. Pump. Dah lepas. Wait. Okay. Let him hold the leader. Okay, can. Pump. Up. Bring the head up. Pump. Come on, faster. Oh, up. Down. Open bell. Nice. Oh. Nice size. Okay, go, push. Oh, nice catch. Big cup, another cup. Pump to the left. Pump. Yes. Oh my God. See your line. Oh. New line there. Too much line. Never mind. Cup, another cup. เบอร์เขาได้กี่ตัวใหญ่ไหม20 กว่าได้กลับมาไปถึงจะขอบบ่อเป็นปลาใหญ่monster the fish that got away is always the biggest โอ้ต้องStay when you go in strip the line. Cannot be your line. I think it's 350 meters, man. So long, it's 300 meters, 300 meters. Oh my God! Look at that. Hey, you better talk. You go to people's house, people cross the line. That's it. They don't know, you know. Yeah, you want to try? Okay. Oh my God! Look at that. Orange color already. Oh, wee. Hey, your this one. Huh? Oh, kicked out already. Got drag or not? Huh? This one got drag one or what? Fine, huh? Now it's about your turn, huh? Oh, nice size. From Indonesia. Yeah. Oh, until the fish pingsan, you see that? Pingsan, no? See, oh, no, on the mouth some more. Oh, who say foul hook? I say foul hook, huh? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, look at the size. Oh, good one. Okay. Push down. Release. Okay, good. Oh, nice. Oh, little bit more. Oh, almost. Little bit more. Okay, come on. Awesome. Go ready, go up. Die. Okay. Awi. Pump, coming up. Yeah, come on up. Sorry. No. Open the bell. Okay, last piece. How you find? Good? Tired, huh? Good day. Last fish, 20 fish today from Indonesia. Go! Push! Okay, well done.